Struggling with belly fat? It's not about striving, it's about eating the right food in the morning. Here's a healthy breakfast that actually helps reduce belly fat, and it takes only a few minutes. Most people don't realize that belly fat isn't just about how much you eat, it's about what you eat first thing in the morning. So today I am giving you a simple, tasty, realistic breakfast that keeps your metabolism high and your cravings low. Why belly fat happens? Let's be honest. Losing belly fat is hard because life is stressful. Mornings are rushed and most breakfast options in the US are full of sugar, refined carbs, zero fiber, and almost no protein. And what happens? Your blood sugar spikes, crashes, and your body starts storing fat around your stomach. Here's the truth. To lose belly fat, you need a morning meal that does three things. Controls blood sugar, reduces cravings, keep you full for hours. The combination that works best. Protein plus fiber plus healthy fats. Breakfast recipe for belly fat loss. Recipe: high fiber oats plus protein bowl. Ingredients: 1½ cup rolled oats, 1 cup hot water or low-fat milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1½ banana or some berries, 1 spoon peanut butter. Cinnamon, important for belly fat control. Cooking steps. Step 1. Add oats to a bowl. Oats are a powerful house of soluble fiber, which helps reduce belly fat. Step 2. Add chia seeds. They expand in your stomach and help keep you full for hours. Step 3. Add cinnamon. Studies show cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, which is key for belly fat loss. Step 4. Finish with fruit and peanut butter for healthy fats. Realistic human advice. Look, I know morning get crazy. You are rushing to work, kids, school. Sometimes you don't even feel hungry. That's normal. Just remember, if you keep your breakfast high fiber, high protein, belly fat loss become way easier. You'll stay full, snack less, and avoid evening overeating. Why this breakfast works? This meal works because it hits all three fat loss triggers. It slows digestion, so no hunger crashes. It stabilizes insulin, so your body burns fat instead of storing it. It boosts metabolism. Oats and chia have thermogenic effects. Don't try to be perfect. Just replacing one unhealthy breakfast with this one can create a massive change in a few weeks. You will feel lighter, more energized, and your stomach will slowly flatten naturally. If you want more realistic belly fat friendly breakfasts, comment belly fat below. I am making a full series for you. Try this tomorrow morning. Your stomach and energy will thank you.